everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Ananya. This is the part 3 of Rotary Youth Exchange Diaries, and in today's video I am going to talk about things I ate as a vegetarian exchange student in the US. So let's get into the video. So as we all know, US is not the best place for vegetarians. मुझे खाने पीने की बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हुई. So starting with breakfast, I usually used to eat cereals with milk. It won't be incorrect for me to say I ate cereals with milk for whole 30 days straight, which was the duration of my whole exchange program. So I would say breakfast was sorted out, but lunch में मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ हुई. So I have a really funny story here. On my first day in the US, I was waiting for everybody to come home for lunch, बट फिर शाम हो गई, कोई भी नहीं आया. और फिर रात को जब सब लोग वापस आए, आई आस्क्ड देम व्हाट अबाउट लंच. सो दे वर लाइक, ओ वी यूजुअली ईट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, सो फिर वी फॉरगॉट टू मेक एनीथिंग फॉर यू. सो आई वाज सो शॉक्ड.
And I was like, excuse me?
So I realized I had to figure out lunch on my own. So I usually used to eat soup with bread. I bought many soup packets from India. And sometimes I used to eat bhel. I also bought some bhel packets from India. So these two were the life saviors for me. So if you are visiting US, make sure to bring some packaged food. It will help you a lot. So that's how my lunch usually used to go. And I also have a very wholesome story to share. So there's this guy who lives in that neighborhood, and everybody talks about his pizzas, and he's known as the pizza guy because he has pizza sales in his backyard every Saturday. So but due to some reasons, unfortunately, when I was there, he was closed. After a few days, there was a get together. So there I met him, and I talked to him that it is so unfortunate that I'm unable to eat his pizzas, and I have heard so much about his pizzas. So maybe next time. So he arranged a whole pizza party for me and my host family, and he made all the pizzas vegetarian just for me, and he also increased the spice levels just for it to match my taste, and his pizzas were delicious. So it was very wholesome moment for me, and it made me so happy. So thank you so much to him. During my exchange, I also got the opportunity to try the s'mores. So s'mores are basically something very American. Those are basically roasted marshmallows. So I went on a picnic with my host family and some friends. There we put up a bonfire, और वहाँ पे हमने marshmallows roast किए, and we ate it along with biscuits. It was a very fun experience for me, and it was something very new.
This is where it's happening.
But if you stick it in the flames, it will just start on fire.
As I said in my last video, I went on a trip to Utah's famous national parks, aka the Mighty Five, along with my host mom and my host sister. तो रास्ते में जो भी रेस्टोरेंट आ जाता था, हम उस टाइम वहीं पे रुक जाते थे फॉर लंच एंड डिनर, क्योंकि हम बाय कार ट्रैवल कर रहे थे. तो ऐसे ही हमको एक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में रुके एक दिन फॉर डिनर. एंड व्हेन आई वेंट इनसाइड, आई नोटिस दैट द पर्सन बिहाइंड द काउंटर वाज आल्सो इंडियन. तो अमेरिका में एक ऐसा सिस्टम है दैट यू हैव टू टिप फॉर योर फूड इवन बिफोर यू टेस्ट इट. आई नो इट साउंड्स वेरी वियर्ड, बट तुम्हें बिना खाना टेस्ट किए ही यू हैव टू टिप बिफोर हैंड. तो बेसिकली वो टैब पे डिस्प्ले होता है 5% टिप, 10% टिप, 20% टिप. तो जो काउंटर के पीछे इंसान खड़ा होता है, ही जस्ट पिन्स द टैब टुवर्ड्स यू एंड यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट अमंग्स देम. बट जब मैं मेरा खाना ऑर्डर करने गई, तो ही मस्ट हैव नोटिस दैट आई एम ऑल्सो इंडियन. तो जब वो टिप वाला सेक्शन आया, ही टोटली स्किप्ड दैट, एंड आई जस्ट हैड टू पे फॉर माई फूड. Whereas when my host mom went to order her food, she had to tip. So it was very funny to me, and I was very happy to have found someone Indian. And then he asked my host mom whether I was Indian, and I said yes, and I told him that I am from Maharashtra, and he said that he is from Punjab. And also his food was super delicious. I got to try authentic Indian taste in the middle of nowhere in America. Now I'm going to talk about what I ate in Raila. तो बेसिकली मुझे रायला से कुछ भी एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं थी कि मुझे वहाँ पे कुछ वेजिटेरियन मिलेगा. तो मैं बहुत सारा पैक्ड फूड लेके गई थी, बट गुड फॉर मी कि मुझे वहाँ पे पहले 2 दिन वेजिटेरियन फूड मिल गया. But on the third day, I had to survive on the packed food, which was okay. But something weird happened. On the first day, I asked them for something vegetarian, and I received an egg sandwich. The good thing is I'm an vegetarian, but I was so confused. So I asked my friends about it and they said that egg is vegetarian. I was so confused, and they further said that you should have asked for a vegan option if you didn't want eggs. So then I understood the difference between vegan and vegetarian in America, and next time I made sure to use it correctly. So that's what I ate during my exchange program. I would like to conclude my video by saying that the purpose of Rotary Youth Exchange program is to understand a foreign culture, and food is the heart of every culture, so it becomes very important to try and understand the food and eating habits of your host country. While it is wise to have packed food as a backup option, the main focus should be on understanding their food language. So embrace the culture through every meal. And thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please like and share and subscribe. So bye bye.